I was at the movie theaters and I saw the Equalizer trailer, and it was an awesome trailer. Let's just put it as that.
I punish the guilty. If you're lucky.
But what I really liked most about that particular trailer, it was cut based on sound. And I thought that was, oh, that's awesome. I thought to myself, I'm like, I'm going to do that as a vlog. But I wasn't sure how am I going to put everything together? Yeah, I got that idea, but how am I going to incorporate it? You know, I'm just going to start shooting. So I start shooting. And then very shortly after I started shooting, I realized this is going to take a lot of work. Doing it myself. I'm creating these sounds and I'm recording it. So it's like one hand holding the camera and the other one doing it. And I also want close-ups of this. So I'm not leaving my camera anywhere far. And I was like, oh gosh, this is gonna take a minute. That was like a 3-minute trailer. I'm gonna have to take, 15-20 minute worth of sounds, hitting some footsteps, just little things here and there, and that would have been a lot faster. But I knew pretty right off the bat it was gonna take a long time. Because it was something very different from what I would ever thought about doing, and definitely I wanted to give it a try, because by doing this, I'm on that field and no one's there with me. That means no one's challenging me to do better than them, because no one's done it except for this trailer. I think I took on a project that's a little bit bigger than I can really handle, but the great thing about taking on those type of projects, once you finish it and you put your 110% into it, it's very rewarding. And that's something that I always think about when I tackle something like I feel like it's bigger than myself. If you complete it and you did everything that you could possibly do to make this video the best that you can, you'll end up with a pretty satisfying product.